What's up guys, today we've got another review. This is the BMW X1 Xline and we'll work out if this is the most premium SUV. What a beautiful looking car this is. Did you catch the interior? Because wow, that was impressive. Now we'll go further into detail a bit later. But not only is this X1 physically bigger than it's ever been, but it's got a cool features, and these can come in a petrol, diesel or a hybrid. But this is the automatic petrol version. Now this BMW X1 has several comparable cars, such as the Audi Q3, the Genesis GV70 and the Range Rover Evoque. Now compared to practicality wise and performance, I think that this BMW is better than the others, and we'll show you that a bit later. But we'll split it up into 5 different sections: colour, exterior, interior, space and power. So let's go check out the first section. Now this is the Utah Orange Metallic. Now it's very similar to the Kia Niro Solar Orange Metallic. Now these are really easy to spot in the car park and you can defo see them on the roads, but this colour comes at a cost of £595. The standard colour is jet black or the Alpine white, but which one would you choose? You can get the Mineral White, Phytonic Blue, Cope York Green, Space Silver, San Remo Green, Black Sapphire and the 2 BMW individual Blue Bay Lagoon and Frozen Pure Grey. Let me know in the comments what your favourite colour for the X1 is. Don't get me wrong, this Utah Orange is beautiful and defo eye-catching, but I do love the Blue Bay Lagoon. Starting off the exterior with the front, we've got the BMW badge on the centre of the bonnet, then you've got the kidney-shaped light grills. Now, should they be joined or left separate? They look a bit like a flared nostril, I'm not too sure, but it does give them a bit of character when they are left apart. You've got the silver trims and the air takes and the front bumper system, as well as the LED headlights with a high beam assist. I really do like it, especially with the silver trims and the Utah Orange. It does give it a bit more character. So let's go check out the sides. Now this X1 has an added feature because these are electronically folding and got anti-dazzle, which will help the driver at night time. On the alloys you get the 18-inch light 5Y spoke design, which looks really nice with the colour. Now I quite like these because they look a little bit like a snowflake, so it's perfect for them winter days. At the back now, we'll start off with the exhaust tailpipes. These are 75mm chrome twin left and right split. It's got the silver trim with the rear parking sensors and works really nice with the silver, black and then Utah colour. It's got the X1 and the Xline 20i badge, and it's got the BMW, but if you look just underneath, it's got the reversing camera, which the X1 doesn't normally have, so that's a cool feature. You've got the privacy glass that's heated as well, and the roof spoiler, so I quite like the back of this X1. Inside the car now, and let's take a look at these X1 seats. These are perforated Dakota leather in the mocha with a contrast stitching that just looks so good. But you also get the colour theme on the dash, the doors and the centre armrest, keeping it consistent and beautiful, but not to mention that these seats are also heated in the driver and passenger side. Moving on now, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with the 3 spokes and the gear pedals at the back. What I really like about it is that it's not mocha colour, it is the black with the centre console as well. It really just stands out, and I'm pleased it's not all that colour because I think it would be a bit too much, so well done BMW. One positive from the 2018 version of the X1 is this climate control. You've got the buttons and the dials compared to the newer version where it's just touchscreen or voice control. I think these are really easy to use whilst driving, so I really like this older version of the centre console. Just under the climate control, you've got the hidden compartment, the 2 cup holders and the space for your phone and wallet. Here you've got the driving mode, you've got Eco Pro Sport, and this X1 comes with launch control. You've got the gear stick here obviously, and you've got the dials and buttons for the media menu, navigation and maps. So that's all nice and easy to navigate whilst driving. You've also got the centre armrest here that does extend 2 ways for even that extra space. This also comes with cruise control, with brake function, LED, ambient lighting, and finally the touchscreen infotainment centre, which is in the middle of a dash looking stylish. Onto space and storage now, and we'll start off at the front. The passenger's got loads of space to keep them comfy on long journeys, and so does the driver because he's got a lot of storage. Right next to the steering wheel, we've got the secret compartment that you can store the keys and your wallet in there. You've also got the door storage with a big cup holder there, but you've got the two cup holders right in front, just underneath the climate control, and you've also got the centre armrest that opens twice to allow lots more storage. Now let's go check out the back. It's expected to have lots of room in the SUV in the back, and this X1 does not disappoint, like how much headroom and knee room I've got, which is fantastic. But for storage wise, you've got this centre armrest with the two cup holders. I really like the design because it's got the two hinged cover and it's got the two cup holders, but you can easily push them down and it's easy to relax because of the smooth design. You've also got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats that make it great for family, but you've also got the two-door storage and the Nest, which is great for your MacBook or anything else at the passenger seats. So it's really good if you have a car full of people. So let's go check out the boot space. This X1 has the automatic tailgate, so I can hold this button on the keys and it'll open the boot, which is really handy if you've got bags of shopping. These also have got the storage nest to the right, so if you want an unleaked bottle of milk all over your boot, then you can whack it in there to keep it secure. But this can hold 505 litres with the seats up, but them seats, as usual, do fold down and give it 1,550 litres. Now, moving on to power. Now, this is the 189 brake horsepower, 2 litre Xline 20i petrol version of a BMW X1. Now, this can easily handle 70 miles per hour on the motorway, just as good as the country roads, weighing in at 2,155 kilograms. Now, this can do 0 to 62 time in 7.4 seconds with a top speed of 139 miles an hour. Now, this has got 4 cylinders, 16 valves, and holds 51 litres of fuel. So, before you make up your mind about the premium SUV, let me tell you about mileage and price. It's got just over 32,000 miles on the clock and is priced at £17,890. Now, that's not too bad with regards to the features and the colour that this BMW X1 has. So, let me know in the comments what you think. Is this a premium SUV or just a general SUV that you would like to drive? Let me know if there's any other cars that you'd like me to review, because we will be pumping more videos out on this YouTube channel. So, I'll see you later.